Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the system and confirming capacity. Check the compressor's PSI and CFM to ensure it can deliver steady pressure to water lines. Once done, inspect hoses, quick connects, and a condensate trap for leaks. Make sure to install a pressure relief valve and separate regulator for water duty. You must isolate electrical power and shut off the water feed while you install fittings and test, because safety prevents damage, and the right parts prevent air contamination of the water. You now make the air-to-water connection, starting with a rated adapter between compressor output and the water system. Next, fit a regulator and a moisture separator to remove condensate. Include a check valve to stop backflow. Tighten all fittings and route hoses to avoid kinks. As you slowly open the compressor, pressurize to the target PSI and watch gauges for stability. This shows you the system holds. If pressure climbs unevenly, stop and bleed off air to diagnose leaks or trapped water. You finish by testing flow and control. Run water fixtures while watching the pressure gauge to confirm steady output and no sputtering. Make sure separators and drains are bled and that no air enters fixtures. If you see leaks, tighten or replace fittings. If pressure cycles too fast, adjust the regulator and check compressor duty cycle. An undersized unit causes fluctuation. One key troubleshooting tip: if pressure drops under load, isolate sections and listen for hissing to locate a leak or failing check valve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.